Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to put on false eyelashes straight from the drugstore that are super inexpensive and how to glam them up. And people will be asking you, oh my god, are they $25 lashes? I'm telling you, I have been doing this forever. So I definitely recommend following along. If you have any trouble applying any sort of lashes, whether a thick band, a thin band, drugstore, high-end, anything, it's super easy. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like if you like these how-to videos, and let's get started. So I have all these Ardell lashes. I have the Ardell Professional False Minx. Here is the Ardell False Minx, and it actually comes with mascara. Then I have the Mega Volume, which are nice and fluffy and glam. And then I also have this pack right here, which are nice and fluffy and glam as well by Ardell. On my eyes today, I have like a soft glam, but it's kind of smoky at the same time. And I kind of have like a little bit hint of glitter on my lid. So I want something that's going to definitely make my eyes appear more opened up, bigger, fuller. But I don't want any lashes that are too long that are just going to hide all that hard work I just put in. So you want something to accentuate your eyes. You don't want to wear lashes that feel super heavy because one, it's going to be very annoying and it's going to like weigh your face down, and not to mention too, it's not going to open your eyes up. It's going to actually close them and make them a little bit more small. And I think a flare out wing will look really good with what I have going on, because I have kind of cat eye but not really. And I'm going to use this guy especially too because it comes with a little mascara and I'm into it. When you open up the package of any lashes, what you do is you pick it up, and this side is going to be for this eye, this side is going to be for this eye. I know it seems pretty clear, but so many people have not known that. So first up, what you want to do, and this is the most important part, is first take off your lash gently, because there's so many times I have ripped it off and just ripped the whole thing. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you bend your lash a whole lot like that to get it really flexible. That's something really important, because if you don't, it's just going to lay like this, and then it's going to come up, it's going to move, and it's going to be super annoying because it's going to be super stiff. Next, lay it on your eye and see if it fits you. This one's a little bit too long. The mistake people do is they try to cut it from right here. Always cut it at the end. I'm only going to cut like right here. So then you're going to take your glue. I just put it right on the piece of plastic. Always take a clean pair of tweezers. Ain't nobody got time for an eye infection. And just add the glue to the strip. Let it sit and dry, just let it happen. This is the most annoying part. Take your mirror. You always want to be looking down and put it right on top of your lashes. Doesn't need to be perfect. This is where we're going to start putting it. And then sit it right on top of your lash line. Make sure you're always looking down again. Take your tweezers and always start with the ends. Start with the corner. And start just pushing it down. Again, as it's drying, just push it down. And then what I do is I kind of just take my tweezers and get really close and take my lashes and then the false lashes and just sandwich them together. Take a good gel-based liner and just run it underneath that lash line. To make sure everything glides together, I'm going to take the roller liner by Benefit, and I am barely touching my actual skin. I'm more so going right across the band of the lashes. So if any glue didn't dry and kind of got a little messy, that it will still be nice and black. And if you messed up and your lash isn't on exactly perfect and it might have slid down or something, this is also going to hide that imperfection. So anything that you might have missed is what this liner is going to do. What you're going to do is, what kind of holds it all together is take your mascara. Now don't put it on the actual fake lashes. Literally get as close to your upper lash line lid that you can and just work that underneath. It's almost like you're taking the wand, putting it on your eye, and then you're going to push down with your lid. Almost like you're pushing that wand away. pull a mascara on here because I feel like I'm looking bald. And here you have it, my how to do false lashes. Even if they're from the drugstore, they don't have to be the most expensive lashes out there. You can make them look beautiful on the lid no matter what.